New morning. We're getting all packed up here. We're gonna head down to Sandpoint, packing up the bags, getting ready to go. We're gonna throw them onto the back of the bikes and then head our journey towards Sandpoint and then down through Wyoming. So we'll see you guys on the bike. All right, so we got both of our bags put on the bikes. Took a little bit. So we're done pretty much here in Coeur d'Alene. So we're gonna head out, grab some breakfast first. We're hungry, so we're gonna stop at IPOT. Hi! IHOP, not IHOT, hop, pot, whatever the hell I said. Good morning!
Putting on helmets in a state that doesn't require helmets.
You're right. Putting on a helmet in a state that doesn't require a helmet law. Because safety. I noticed too, we cleaned off the front of the bikes, both of our bikes, with this cleaner that he got. Works out great. Got rid of most of the bugs, but I noticed right here is a chip from something. I don't know what it is, but it's pissing me off. I want to know where it came from. Hi.
My phone is connected. Hello? Intercom failed. Can you hear me now?
Hello?
This may take a few minutes. And it's a red light, that guy's gonna go soon.
Alright, so we're leaving Coeur d'Alene's hotel. Now we're gonna grab some breakfast. Gonna head on over to IHOP.
Where do you want to go?
Want to do McShits?
McShit. I don't want to make shit, but yeah. Where?
That's where I went the first night.
Taco, burrito. Yes, I know you're hot.
Hot. Alright, well, we couldn't see the bikes from IHOP. We want to be able to see our bikes, so we come to, so we're coming to McShits and get the shits. There's a fucking wasp flying around my bike. Oh, we can go play in the playground. Yes, let's go do it. I want to play. Yeah. Alright guys, we'll be back here in a little bit. We're gonna grab something to eat. So full. We're gonna have the Hershey squirts later. Alright, do those squats. Get on there.
Oh. Yeah. I just saw you had a brown spot.
That was from you. Okay. I'm full.
On the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get back on the road again. We're on our way to Sandpoint. Oh, that's why you were saying it. His license plate. Love you. Love you. Yep. I should give her the heart symbol. I'm trying to drive with no hands. It's not working very well. Yeah. A lot harder to steer with. It's like a game. Just try to stay in the lines. It's on how good your ass muscles are. That's what I'm trying to do. Ah! It kind of helps. It's all in the ass muscle. Oh, yeah. No, shit. Yeah, that's what I tried to do. Look, Ma, no hands. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle, this is my spout. Alright. What's this place called?
Days Inn.
Days Inn? We at the Days Inn. We're gonna see if they got a room. We're gonna go around and see if we can find a good cheap rate for one night for two guys. Oh. Well, that answers our question. Oh, put my ass back on the bike. Oh. Alright. Let's go see if Ruby Hotel has a room for two guys who can cuddle. Alright, well, we managed to get a room here at the Hotel Ruby for one night, but we're like 4 or 5 hours early to check in, so we're gonna dip off, we're gonna go see Ryan. Airplane. And then come back here and drop our bags off, so we'll be back in a bit. Alright, let's get it.
I still remember yesterday. We were like at the beach.
Oh, yes.
I have to watch that movie somewhere though.
Oh, yeah, we will. My fat ass, I don't want to lift my leg over. Oh, alright. Our hotel's ready. Let's go stay at our hotel. Oh, hello! Hello! Me so horny!
Oh, me so horny.
Oh, my balls are stuck to my leg. There we go. Alright. Let's go get our room. Taco, taco, burrito, burrito.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We're gonna go for some tacos and some burritos. We're gonna go grab some.
Low battery. I charged it last night.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I gotta go back in.
Okay. I'm gonna steal your bike.
Oh, my keys are gone?
Yeah? That's what I mean, I'll steal your bike. Alright, so we were just inside the hotel chilling and planning our day for tomorrow. So tomorrow looks like we're going to head down to Laurel, Montana. We're going to go down there and then end up doing the road to the sun. My 3M's coming off. Or not the road to the sun, Beartooth Pass. Sorry, Beartooth Pass. So we're going to do that. and then plan it from there. So right now we're just gonna head over to a good old Taco Bell, get something to eat, and possibly, not too sure yet, but we'll probably head over to Silverwood theme park again, because my buddy Romeo here wants to check out the theme park, so we may or may not do that. But if we do, again, as always, I will take you guys with me, because we're all in this little trip together, this little fun US motorcycle trip. So once my buddy decides to get his other GoPro here, we'll head on out and we'll grab some tacos and some burritos and crunch wraps and all that good stuff. And as always, it's a beautiful hot day here in Idaho, so, you know, squidding it up. Don't you hate it when you put your helmet on and your head gets itchy? You can't scratch it. I know, right? I had that earlier too. It was like the back of my head.
We're going to taco burrito place.
Taco burrito. I just want a taquito. It's like that Despacito by Bieber. Yeah, people use, because he doesn't know the words, so there's a video that went around with him doing that. He's like, I don't know the words, so I say burrito. I don't know the words, so I say taquito.
I hate that song so much.
Just fucking send it. I just want a taquito. Give me a burrito.
When I said we're going to the taco burrito place, one of the people actually in the room.
Potato burrito. That's what you had. You had the potato burrito. Look at this squid. No motorcycle gear. Shame on him. What? No, I said, look at this squid. No motorcycle gear. Shame on him.
Yeah, look at you. I got you on mine.
Black 24 widow. Black 24 widow. So is she black and she's a widow at 24? Black widow baby.
Little baby, don't say a word.
It's a totally different song. Hiya. Wham.
Beep, 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 beep.
Alright, let's go enjoy the view.
Now lost, feeling all grand, hate how much you.
We're just leaving Sandpoint Beach. We got the train crossing over. Pretty cool. The BNSF. So we're leaving the beach now. We're gonna head on down to Silverwood for a few hours and get some more rides in. So it'll be a little bit cheaper this time around. Maybe a bit more of my money's worth. So yeah, let's start the journey down. You fucking kidding me? Rain? Really? What the fuck? And I'm fucking squidding right now. You'll be kidding me. It wasn't supposed to fucking rain. Bullshit. God damn. Fuck this. Fuck this. Oh my god. There you go, because there's another one behind me, you idiot.
Voices in my head